Hello students, how are you? Hope everyone of you is fit and fine at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School, and today I am going to tell you the sums of exercise 3.5 and the concept in this exercise, that is estimation of difference. Estimation of difference. Yes, as I just want to recall you regarding the estimation. Yes, we have done in chapter 1 also that estimation to the nearest tens and to the nearest hundreds. Yes, here I am going to explain you firstly what is the estimation. If we are going to estimate to the nearest tens, then how to estimate? As I have told you the 3 steps regarding this. Yes, for example, you have to estimate 283 to the nearest tens. Yes, here ones, tens. Up to the nearest tens we have to estimate. So we will write the places up to tens only. Yes, now how to estimate this? Ones place will become 0. Tens place will become, it will remain 8. Why it will remain 8? Because ones place is less than 5. Because ones place is less than 5, so tens place digit will remain as it is. Yes, and here no role of this digit, so it will be written as it is. So when 283 rounded, or we can say estimated, to the nearest tens, it is 280. Yes, now if we have to round off this number, same number, to the nearest 100, then what to do? The same number I am taking as an example, ones, tens, 100. Now we are estimating it, we are rounding up this to the nearest 100, so we will write the places up to the 100. Here ones place 0, tens place 0. Now we have to write 100 place digit. So we will observe tens place digit. If tens place digit is 5 or more than 5, so 100 place digit will be next. It will be next. Now here we can see tens place digit is 8. It is more than 5. So 100 place digit will be next. So it will be 300. So we can say 283 rounded, or we can say estimated, to the nearest 100 is 300. It is 300. Now see the difference, students. When we have rounded this to the nearest tens, it is 280, and when we have same number I have taken and we have rounded it to the nearest hundreds, it is 300. Yes, now here we are going to do the concept, that is estimation of difference. The sums of exercise 3.5. Yes, the first sum is there. Estimate each difference to the nearest tens. Yes, and also find the actual difference. Yes, now what is the question? Estimate each difference to the nearest tens and also find the actual difference. Means here we have to find out actual difference and estimated difference. Both the differences we have to find out. Actual difference means the statement which is given to us, with the help of that we will find out the actual difference, and estimated, the numbers which are given us in the sum, we will estimate them to the nearest tens, and after that we will find out the difference. Yes, here I am going to tell you A part. The statement of A part is 292 minus 147. Yes, 292 minus 147. Yes, here students, firstly we have to round off these numbers to the nearest tens. 292 rounded up to the nearest tens. Yes, here ones, tens, 100 we will not write because we have to round off to the nearest tens. Now ones place digit will be 0, tens place digit will be according to the ones place. Yes, according to the ones place. Here ones place is less than 5, so here it will remain as it is, no change in this, and 2 का कोई रोल नहीं था, so here we will write only 2. Yes friends, here rounded up is not there, rounded off. Yes, हाँ जी. Now 292 rounded off to the nearest tens, it is 290. Now the second number, that is 147. We have to also rounded off to the nearest tens. Then what will be here? Ones, tens. Ones place will be 0 and tens place will be 5. Why? Because ones place का जो digit है that is more than 5, वो 5 से ज़्यादा है, so tens place will be next, it will be 5. Now 100 place का कोई रोल नहीं था, it will be written as it is. Now firstly we will round off these, and after that we have to find out actual difference as well as estimated difference. Firstly we will find out estimated difference. Yes, ones, tens, 100. Here estimated difference with the estimated numbers, 290 minus 150. So what we will get? 140. Yes, and actual difference, ones, tens, 100. Actual difference means with the actual statement, whatever the statement is given us in the question, with that 292 minus 147. Yes, here we can say 2 minus 7 not possible, so we will take one borrow and it will become 12. 12 minus 7, 5. 8 minus 4, 4, and here 1. So here we got 145. Yes, and here is 140. So what we have observed from here, we can say we have to write this also, that the actual difference and that estimated difference both are very close. We can see estimated is 140 and actual is 145. So we can say the estimated difference is close to the actual difference. Yes, friends, now I am going to tell you some examples. Here you can see B part is there. This you will do by yourself, but I am going to explain you some examples. Yes, same heading to the nearest tens. For example, if it is there 275 minus 63, 275 minus 63. So here we have to find out estimated difference as well as actual difference. So firstly we will estimate these to the nearest tens. Estimated to the nearest tens. We can also write here rounded. Estimated word also we can use, and we can also write rounded off. Okay. Now here to the nearest tens we will write the places up to tens. Now ones place will be 0. Yes, and tens place it will be next. Why? Because ones place is 5. अगर वंस प्लेस 5 या 5 से ज़्यादा है तो टेंस नहीं नेक्स्ट हो जाना है. सो इन द सेम वे वंस प्लेस इज 5, सो टेंस प्लेस विल बी नेक्स्ट. एंड हेयर नो रोल ऑफ दिस डिजिट, so it will be written as it is. Here we got 280. Yes, now next number is, that is 63, and estimated to the nearest tens. What will be that? Here ones, tens. Now ones place is 0 and tens place will be next or not. Yes, why? We have to observe for this ones place. If ones place is less than 5, so it will not be next. Yes, so it will remain as it is. It is 60. Now we have to find out estimated difference. Yes, here estimated difference ones, tens, 100, and it is 280, and next is 60. Now we will then subtract. What we will get? We will get 220. Now we have to find out actual difference. Actual difference ones, tens, 100. The actual statement is 275 minus 63. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 6, 1. And here 2. Here we got 212. And we can see 220 and 212, these are very close. So we will write the estimated difference is close to the actual difference. Yes friends, now like this you have to do sum number first B part by yourself, and I hope you have understood this concept. Do this concept very much carefully, because in next exercises this will also be needed. Yes, so with this, thanks and have a beautiful day. God bless you all.